Hi, my name is Jonathan Sarine. I am a software engineering major studying online through Brigham Young University, Idaho in my junior year. My classes have taught me principles of object-oriented design in C++ and Java. In C++, I recreated the classic Asteroids game and gave it some flair and features of my own as a bonus challenge. In Java, I worked on a team to create a text-based adventure game similar to Oregon Trail. Ours is called Afghan Trail and has been forked twice on GitHub. I think the most valuable things I've learned in school are data structures, algorithms, and the basic principles of digital systems. These things have brought me from being just a programmer to being an engineer. I've supplemented my formal education by studying web technologies. The first thing I did was get a front-end development certification at Free Code Camp. With this knowledge, I've built several web applications using JavaScript. The most notable are two Chrome extensions that I built to assist students. One lets you get a word count on whatever you type into the extension, and stores that text in local storage. The other also uses local storage to notify you of your next assignment due date. I also built an application for Google Assistant called Senora Spanish, which allows users to study Spanish vocabulary with their Google Assistant devices. I live close to Seattle and am hoping to find an internship with a company in the area in the fall. Thank you.